I'm getting ready to make some tomatillo sauce, and I thought I'd just make a quick video. This is what a tomatillo looks like. It has like a paper on it. You just want to peel off the paper. That's what it looks like. Give it a quick rinse. And on the sheet pan I have I'd say about 2 pounds of tomatillos. I have some serrano chilies, some garlic, some poblano chili, and a small onion. And what I'm going to do is take just a little bit, maybe a little drizzle, tablespoon maybe not even that much, of oil, and just kind of use my clean hands and just kind of coat the vegetables so they get a little bit of the oil on them. We're going to put this in a hot oven, like 400, for 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, in the blender, I have the juice of 3 or 4 limes, handful of cilantro, and about a teaspoon or so of salt. Now I'm going to add all of the roasted vegetables. Start getting this into the blender. You can see the tomatillos have gotten very soft. And then this is what it looks like. Let me give it a taste. Oh yeah, it's delicious. I like it with bean and cheese burritos. It just, oh my gosh. But this is perfect. You can use it on just anything you want. It's really good on pork carnitas too. But you can use it on tacos or tostados or burritos or whatever. It's delicious. Really, really good. So I just wanted to share that with you since I was doing it in